Measure the widest part of your palm. As we can see, the size is 17 mm. Part 1. Use hand cream. So the first step is prepare hand cream and then spread cream evenly on hands. Relax your hand. Make sure the bangles pass over your knuckles easily. Part 2. Use hand cream and plastic pack. Prepare the necessary items, including hand cream and plastic pack bag. Put on the plastic bag over your hand. Put on some hand cream. Relax your hand and apply the lotions evenly. Straighten your hand. Make sure your hand is relaxed. Tighten your fingers, wearing easily. Part 3. Dish soap. Put on the plastic bag over your hand. Stand up your hand, make sure your muscle is relaxed. And then put on some dish soap. Relax. As you can see, you can easily wearing the bangle. And now we're gonna teach you how to take up the bangle easily.